I say 100 times a speech. It buys me time to think. Total power move.
It tells everyone your brain crashed, you blithering disaster. Start with the ums. Don't fill the gap. Just pause. Silence sounds confident.
So shutting up is the secret. My wife's been right for years. What else am I doing?
The word like. Every like shaves a year off how old people think you are.
That's super unfair, though. Anything else?
You know. If they knew, you wouldn't be talking. Cut it.
So talk less and somehow sound smarter. Backwards, but okay.
Or just practice with Mike Buddy. It buzzes every time one slips out.
A robot to count my ums. My nightmare has an app now.
Follow for more before Peter ums himself into a coma.